we're back on trail, going towards Kennedy Meadows. Probably be 2.5 days till we get there. It's a new day, lots of climbing today, feeling all right. I don't think I mentioned this before, but a few days ago, before Vegas, I had a whole bunch of equipment damaged by some rodents, I think, in the night, including the straps on my poles. One is completely rooted, but more importantly, some damage on one of the straps of my backpack. It's currently still attached, but I think it's like just hanging on by a thread. He's bitten through about 3/4 of it. But anyway, some duct tape on it for now. So hopefully it'll hold for 2.5 days, and then maybe I can do a more permanent repair.
Lila, I sing this song for you. You're beautiful, even when you're down. You know this, and never talk yourself out of it. Lila, it's all inside your head. Eleanor Roosevelt said, no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. So let your light shine without holding it in. Love yourself and don't give
To all those goths out there, it's time to celebrate! We've just hit mile 666!
Yesterday, we walked just under 20 miles, which is not bad for a Nero. Today we've got a bit of a bigger goal. We're going to try and get to Grumpy Bear, 27 miles. Hopefully not so late that we're not able to get a shuttle, because I think they shut the shuttles at 8 o'clock or something. Not 100% sure, but that's the goal for today. It's a bit warm again as we've descended. Yesterday was nice and cool, but today's hot.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Really appreciate it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you guys are awesome.
Thank you very much.
Hey Blitz, where are we?
Try magic! Woohoo! Woo! Coffee! I had so much coffee.
Today we were planning to do big miles, get as close to Grumpy Bears, which is like almost Kennedy Meadows. They've got like a really big restaurant, and they let you camp there for free, and showers, and send your mail there and everything. We were gonna do like a 28.5 mile day, and I mean, it just, I don't think was ever going to happen. So we woke up super late at like 7:30 a.m. Oh my goodness. It was a wonderful sleep in, but we did arrive into camp, I think like at 1:30. The reason is we tried to hike to the next water source because we were all out of water, and then we were going to camp there. And then the water source was actually dry, so we had to hike to the next one, filled up our water, and then the next campsite after that was all full. So we had to hike another like 5 miles in the night, which was a little bit scary. So we ended up arriving super late, waking up super late, and we did about 10 miles, and we ran into trail angels and trail magic. Yahoo! We met Numbers, who just finished the Arizona Trail, I believe, and did the PCT in 2017. And He was partnering up with Valerie, who seems like an awesome chick. We had really good conversations. She was our chef for today, just lining up everyone with the most like gourmet hot dogs, pancakes. There was cookies and Oreos.
We just hit 700.
Oh my God. High five.
Yeah.
High five,
Yeah.
everyone.
Woo.
Yes.
Woo.
Yes. Gonna make it to Kennedy Meadows. Gonna eat all you can eat pancakes. Grumpy Bears is my man.
Yeah.
Oh my God, so we just met the best people, Dara and Diego, the brother and sister, and they're giving us a hitch into the general store at Kennedy Meadows, and they just gave us soda! They're amazing!
I'm fishing.
We're fishing.
Yep, for fresh tips.
Fresh tips.
Oh, got a nibble! Oh, got a nibble! Reel her in!
We got some new trekking pole tips. Yay! You had to boil them in a pot, melt them off, and then put the new ones on. So I found someone's old Z-Light pad, and I made myself some camp shoes. They are ghetto as Look at these! My feet are so happy. Yay! So because Dave's strap got eaten by mice, as you can see here, he needs to repair it.
Yeah, I got lots of damage here and here. I also have lots of just normal wear and tear holes in the bottom of my bag, so my bag's sort of falling apart. And unfortunately, the company can't repair it for 3 months, so I'm kind of have to do some backyard repairs to try and get back on the road. It sort of sucks, but what do you do?
It's super annoying too because they bit right in the middle of the strap, so it's going to be non-adjustable when he fixes this.
Yeah,
It's really shit.
definitely less than ideal.
It is day 40. 40. We were going to hike out of Kennedy Meadows yesterday evening, and then we got beers, and then we got more beers.
And then that didn't happen. Oh.
Oh, we got a car. The guys behind us are just, what is going on?
They're spinning out. I don't know what's going on. I'm stoked with the Sierras, but I think I'm getting the flu, so.
Getting a runny nose, runny bum.
Listen to my voice.
Ah.
That's okay. Maybe just a little chest infection or something. It'll be okay.
A little bit of pneumonia. It's still good.
It's still good. It's still good.
So this is our backpacks with the bear can inside of them. Dave is super excited because his bag has never stood up before.
Nope.
You may also notice he has acquired some Z-Light and camp thongs. Yoo-hoo!
I'm very embarrassed about these, so we'll see how long they stay.
I mean, they look better than mine.
Have a look at the repair job I did on this strap too. Come around this. So it snapped, so I fixed it here with some floss.
We've got our ultralight ice axes.
Camp Corsa.
Everyone's super jealous about them because they cheaped out and got the heavy ones. We paid a premium because we don't want to carry. We're almost back on trail. You.
In the love I get, 'tis the love
just like every 1/2 to 3 miles. It is amazing. This is God's country.
This amazing country here, views here and stuff like that. Amazing part of the trail. About to get a bit more serious with mountaineering, and guess what happened? Your boys got the flu.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boys got the flu. Shan reckons I got a fever. Fun.
I don't know if you've got a fever. You've got a very slight temperature. Wouldn't say you have a fever.
Okay.
So your backpack looks pretty full. How are you fitting the rest of this junk in? No answer. I've already packed up. And I'm ready to go. Peace out. It officially feels like the Sierra. I am constantly being swarmed by mosquitoes, which is very pleasant. I'm about just over 10,000 feet, and there is snow in the trees. Snow in the middle of summer. Also, I thought I saw a fox, but I think it was a marmot. It looked like a giant beaver squirrel thing. I don't know. And I heard marmots were a thing. So maybe I saw a marmot. I'm just innocently sitting here in the shade, taking a really quick break with a beautiful view. Eating my healthy breakfast, Twix bar. Just minding my own business. And these bloody mosquitoes are making me bleed my own blood. How dare they? They are so rude and ruthless. They just will not stop.
How you feeling, Blitz?
Shit.
Yeah, not great. And Abe's pretty sick too. You can hear his voice.
Listen to how great my voice sounds.
We're gonna hang here for the day. Hopefully these two can rest and recover.
In the meantime, we can cook our noodles on Blitz's forehead because he's got like a 1,000,000-degree fever.
Who's got creme brulee? Maybe we can have mango sticky rice tonight.
Yeah, we're going to save that for a hard night. 13-mile hard night.
Yeah, super hard. I've got like a headache myself, and I don't know if my forehead is warm too or not, or maybe it's just like altitude. Maybe I'm just being paranoid, but we'll see how this goes. That's what we're doing here.
Well, they told us that we should practice using our ice axes before we hit some real snow, so we're over here. We're doing some practice, so this is the pointy end of the axe, this is the aids. You got to keep the aids towards your own face, and then release.
Wow!
Yeah, it's very important that if you're sliding on your back, that you hold the end, dig your elbow into the ground, and then throw your ice axe. Oh, that was a good angle. All right.
I'm going to take
All
a step
clear?
back.
Okay. I'm terrified.
Ooh!
We just had a look at our bear cans and counted all of the calories in our food and realized we only have maybe about 4 days worth. And we need like 7, 8. Oops. So we have to bail out early, and way earlier than 4 days, which is upsetting. But, you know, that's just how it goes. We thought we filled up our bear cans, and we did. We just don't have enough calories.
So today, we eat like kings.
Yay!
because the more we eat, the less we have to carry in here.
Because we're in frisky bear territory, what we have here is a little bit of a trap. It'll make a big clang if a bear comes and tries to steal our food.
Hey guys, it's day 42. Still feeling sick. Still feeling pretty awful. Had a big fever all last night. Woke up covered in sweat, which had frozen on my sleeping bag into ice. Awesome. Got a big climb today till we get to Horseshoe Meadows, where we will take an early exit out to Lone Pine, and from there we'll recover a bit and jump back on trail.